It's gas. So I used to take their pre-workout, which was gnarly. And then this was I tried to see if they had the Ghost pump at GNC, but they didn't, because GNC is the only place with Ghost. So, and I needed some more pea science, but they only had that at Vitamin Shop. So yeah, it's just pump stem free. It says right there, so I should be good. I'm always like so like.
I know, you're always so weird.
Should taking caffeine, you know. Alright guys, starting off the Vlogmas episode today a little bit late. It's the 25th, Christmas. Merry Christmas to all you guys. Yeah, starting off the day. It's currently like 4 o'clock, so starting off the video with a little shoulder workout for you guys, and also trying a NitroFlex pump out, and also giving you an honest review. The serving size is 2 scoops, but I'm only taking 1. And yeah, this is basically a stem-free, just pump supplement that I'm trying out. I've tested out the VPN one, the PE Science one. Now it's time to test this guy out. But yeah, taking 1 scoop, and I'll let you guys know how it goes. Guys, let's go ahead and hit shoulders. Just been doing family stuff all day, but I still got to get a video out to you guys, so it's going to be short and simple. 1 clip of each exercise, and yeah, guys, let's enjoy. Merry Christmas. Just put those Christmas carbs to the to work. You guys sure as heck. You guys sure as heck aren't used to workout videos this late in the day. You guys are used to 4 a.m., not freaking
4. Oh my god, it's 4 p.m.
Christmas pump, baby, let's go.
You're solid, babe.
Starting off with a quick little warm up. So actually my girlfriend's gonna lead us through this shoulder workout. I might be like, okay, let's do this here and there, but she's gonna be the one leading it. Starting off with 5 sets of 15, just straight lateral raises. None of this right here, more like this, just boom. Okay, let's go ahead and get into it. Second set. Actually, I'll just show you whenever I take my sweater off. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Saved you guys. Hey, I won't let you guys fall. You guys are good. You guys are good with shots G. Alright guys, moving on into like a mix between a upright row and a single arm lateral raise with a dumbbell. So whatever that was, 5 sets of 15. Those are actually pretty good. Alright guys, moving on, third exercise, Arnold press, 5 sets of 10. Synchronized each arm standing. On this one, just squeeze the butt, keep the core tight. It's gonna help you focus more on the shoulders. We've been increasing weight every single round, so we're going 35s on this one. Actually, we'll go 40s. 35 was kind of hard, but I think I can pump out 40, especially for you guys. It's Christmas.
Flan.
I had a slice of flan yesterday. It was bomb.
It was bomb.
No regrets. Alright guys, moving on. Next exercise is gonna be easy bar, upright row with the easy bar. Just focusing on that contraction, driving through with the elbows, feeling it all in the shoulders. 5 sets of 15. Also, that pre-workout does have beta-alanine in it, so your boy's feeling itchy, kind of feeling hot. don't know what it is. Maybe it's the carbs from yesterday and today's Christmas breakfast, or maybe it's this pump stuff. I don't know, but feeling good. Alright guys, moving on to a cable machine. Don't even know what we're gonna do yet, but we'll figure it out. 5 sets, 15. Let's go. Alright guys, 5 sets, 15, cable lateral raise. Again, you've seen this in prior videos, I go behind the body, it just feels more natural. Everything's in the same plane, boom, driving through the elbow. This one's awesome guys, they're burners, you don't need much weight at all. So just focus on that form, contraction, and get the burn. Moving on to front delt raises with the rope on the cable. That was a burner. I've never done those before, well, at least with the rope attachment. And it was gnarly. Again, get closer to the machine. That way it's not hitting you in the junk, it's not pulling you back. Just the closer you get, the more of a more natural contraction you're gonna get. And yeah guys, 4 sets, actually 5 sets, 12 to 15. I went 12 on that one. It's a wrap, baby. It's me unwrapping. It's a wrap, guys. That's gonna do it for the Christmas shoulder workout. Honestly, I think it was the carbs. I think it was the freaking, that pump stuff, because I felt full the whole time, like, you know. I'll give you guys a review at the house, but that's gonna do it for the shoulder workout. I hope you guys enjoyed. Merry Christmas to all of you guys and your loved ones. Thank you guys for watching these videos. Tomorrow's gonna be a travel day. We're going somewhere where you'll see tomorrow in tomorrow's video, so don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, guys. See you guys in a little bit.